afternoon, everyone. So the first thing is to go to the browser and type in Getresponse. Getresponse is the CRM we're using today. So throughout the practical, we're not using Getresponse. You know, there are different CRM. We have new streams, we have Getresponse, we have so on. So the first thing I have to do is sign up your account. So I already signed up with one of my accounts. So I don't need um, sign up. So you just have to do it and an email will be sent to your email address to confirm your account through that. I'll just log in through that. Alright, so I have my logged in. So the first thing I will do is I'm going to be creating the form page. The form page. So we all know what the form page is. So just go straight. So you can click on tools and move straight to the form. I won't be taking a lot of time because of accumulating the details. Alright, so I've tried creating one for this. So immediately you click on form, just click form. So alright, so let's do this case. So you are going to see the template like this template. Let us see the part. So you can choose any of these templates when you're next reading, but we're not just the template now. We're using just the blank template. So instead of choosing blank, I choose a template. So this is the template I choose. So I can just easily delete most of what I don't want. So delete everything. Let's just delete the element. The email address is the important element. Cannot hope you can see I clicked on the link I have when I want to delete not delete the other things. But this one doesn't have that. That means permanent. I only size, I only access. So now the first one I'm going to start with, I'm going to design the test before, and I'll be also designing before. So before we got this. So let's start with the background. So just click twice change anything for the background. Just move on the background and click twice to change the background. Make it a solid color. Just color. Can make it gradient. Make it gradient like that. And you can also make it an image. So we need an image for our product. What are we going to try? Okay, let's do advertising for the company. Okay, let's say we have a restaurant that also going to sell food. So something like that. So we have to get an image that will be able to represent food, something of the restaurant that can actually give express of what we are selling. So the next thing we're gonna is to get that image. So to get that image, you go to the place called iStockPhotos.com. So here you can search the amount of image. Let's just say let's say so let's say so you can actually search for it. we have a lot of pictures. Yeah, we have a lot of pictures. Just, you can just see this. So iStock is not actually free, it's not free on their image. They have also watermark. So we use another website. You can see this watermark and you can see this. So we use another website to remove watermark from iStock image. So the website is called downloader.la. Downloader.la. Everyone can see the website called downloader.la. Alright. So what I have to do is that I have to send a get downloader.la. This page of just scroll down. You can see there is this of where you can download it. But they are using iStock. So make sure you're selecting iStock because they are using iStock. So what you have to do now is to copy this link of that copy and download. So you'll be giving that image first. So to save the image first. Okay. Right. So the to add our image, I should need double click and click on the side to add the image. Just drag and drop it. Or you can easily click on add file over here and you can choose your image from your system. Or you just drag and drop it here. If you choose something like this, then click on add. So you've added the image, click on use. So if you change it, you just change the background. So you have something like this. So let's go to the settings. You have feelings, you have book. So change it to no repeat. Then set it to 6 screen. So that all the image is repeated to what you can see. So I hope you follow the function. So that is 6 screen there and cool. So but if I have to put the text on this, let's let's try putting the text on it. Even if I have to make it darker or white, let's make the size bigger. So I have to make it white or black. It doesn't keep fitting. So what we have to do is that we have to put an overlay because the main thing is so we can see the text very well. So we put an overlay on the image. I will show you what is an overlay now. So let's just delete the text and I'll move to another software to add an overlay to the image. Alright, to add an overlay, navigate to canva.com. Create an account again. I already have an account again, but I don't need to create this account again. So I'll move straight to create the design. So edit the picture. So choose the image you want. Alright, this is what to show the just have to click on use image design. If you take it to make that make design. Okay. So we're going to add an overlay. And the first thing you should know is that overlay. With what overlay actually fits this. This darker overlay or bright down. And that depends on the text, the color of text you want to add on it. If you want to add a dark text on it, that means you're going to add a brighter value. If you want to add a dark, if you want to add a bright, you add a dark value. If you want to add a dark text, the otherwise, you can sound like it. So it makes it visible to the eye, not just kind of the eye. So this is the image you want to add or later. So go to elements and click on this box or even just stretch it out. Okay. So over here you can change the color. So let's try using dark over here first. And let us go. So if we adding the white text on this, let's take for example, we're adding the white text on this. How is it? It's visible to the eye and it's okay. How about to make this white and make it dark? Like far making it dark, making the value dark and making text white. Let's just make it dark one. Because I think this is here download. So you presented an option how you need to do it download this for you. So and also we are going to need a logo in designing too. You can also get our logo from Canva, already designed logo. So all we have to do is let's go back to our home, cancel this. So you can see Canva also presents the logo. So let's click on it. Just generate the random logo. So while this is loading, let's go back to our email marketing. Since this is still downloading, let's explain it. Okay, I think it's true that it's not down. So let's change the image to the same again. But like change the image, click on this. So you can actually bring this in. So I'm very good. There's sorry. Alright, this up to date. Alright, let's move to the logo. So the logo, you can just use anyone. Let's just use it as our logo. Yes. Alright. So just a second. And make sure you see your work. always keep your work. Alright, I just change it to this. Let's not do that. We have a logo like this. Alright, so download this. Save this. I don't think this thing is changing. So we download this also. That former one, which is better. So let's add a company name, which will be text bank. Let's see name it down. Let's do one. Let's change this one. Let's see size. So it's not size. So make sure it's in the center. So we can have something like this. We need a logo. So I think our logo is still download them. Let's download them. Right, let's continue to that one. So our logo. So we add another text. So while I was just trying to search for a form you can give, and I saw this form. Look at this. So this form is actually a cool one. I will do something like this also. So these are the most important things in a form, like here. Name, the email, the button, an image, which is optional. You can. I'm going to do something like this. So a logo and the name of the company is not on the form because it's actually attached to the landing page. And the landing page will have those things. So the reputation is not needed. That's what I'm trying to say. But since we're designing just a form, so we just need to add let me just try to use their content. So it says sign up. Right. So it says sign up. So uh, so something like that. So let's change it also to white. Let's increase the size. Let's increase this one. Yes. So can you see that red line? That red line actually shows that it's in the middle and it's meant to be in the middle. So this one can make it align to the right side. That's something like this. So we can add just one more field. So I'd like to explain more on this field. So let me use this email address as an example. Most layout first. You have the label. So the label. Let me show you what the label is. So the label position now is inside. So let me change it to top. So it's what I mean by label. So can you see this? It's actually black. So you can't actually see the arrow. Let me move to the left. It's actually where I can't see the arrow. So because it's inside, it is hidden. So we don't actually need it now. So you don't change. You can actually change your label here. I'll make it email address like that. Let me change this side of the window. So I'll switch clearly. Let's say white. So this will be out. So, so I hope you can see it now. So that is the label. You can actually change um, the text and everything. So that is the label. And we have the placeholder. That is the text inside this one you can see. So let me give it something so you can change. You can actually change it from there also. You can actually set a character range for that page and minimum and maximum instruction for the user if the field is required. As an email field, it's always required. So you can also set an error message. So that's all about the layout. So move to the side. So the label, I already explained what the label is. So this is the color, the font size, the font family. You want to be bold in italics. Line height. That is the height between each line of that reader. So we have the input. Input is the box itself, the field itself. So let's increase this. You see the box increases. How to get my point. So let me bring in another field. So I will explain. So let's say I'm bringing in just name. As simple as that. I'm bringing in just name and email address. That is the down field. You can use any other field, but I'm bringing in just name. So you can see that the style actually made for email address is also applying to this one. So you can adjust just one. You can make the style to just one field and to affect the other. So that's it. So let's move on. We have the input. We have the colors that change the color of the input. So the input is the that space itself. So border style, can give it a border like that. Can give it color. So and also a border radius. When this is locked, it controls everything. Okay, let's say this is 25. And see everything changes. So when it is unlocked, you can control just one of them. If it is 0 now. So then I still so you have something like this. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So let's take a look at all that part. So we have the input shadow. You can add the shadow, but we don't really need it to this box. The value is what is written inside. So let's change the font. I think I can set that. So font of the value. The value is what your client actually put into the box. So the color of the value, the color of the value is black. The font size 18. It's okay. So placeholder, I tell you this is placeholder. This one that's just trying to tell you that email address should be or something like that. So that too. And make sure you are consistent just one font on a form page. You don't need more than one font, stuff like that. You can make your help text also. So there are more adjustments you can make over here. So on and so forth. I hope you understand it. So I just want to make it fast so that the video will not be too long to consume our energy, our data. So this is the two tricks I'll be using to design the form, and I've actually designed this one. So make sure the space between each page is consistent. So that's also like this. So the first thing you should know is that you must have your title. If the form is not on the landing page, you must have your company's name and the logo. And if if that is just if it's not the landing page, make sure you have your company's name and make sure this is the reason why they should sign up for our, this should be this should be for our 2 week, the a 2 week guide plan, so something like that. There should be a reason why they should sign up for it. So that should be what is okay. So now let's move to down the CTA, which is the bottom. So what is the best color to use for CTA? Is it black? Is it white? So let's see. So let's try it in white. This is the text. This is actually label for this is actually a label for the bottom, which is the text. So let's use I think alright. So I think that text is cool. So color of the bottom, if we use white, everything is getting too bright, something like that. How about if we use green, the color that is, and make sure if you are picking a color, make sure you pick a color from the image you use. Make sure you pick the color from the image you use. It's very important. Something like that. So you can have a color like this, and make sure let's move to the label. Let me explain from the label, the font and amount of using this which should be consistent. It's the color. Let's change it to white. I think white is better here. So the over color, let me show what over means. I think I'm trying to look for what an over means. Okay. So you can see there's some changes when the mouse is over this button. So that is over effect. So there's some changes. Let me for texture one. So you can see this. You can see this out. You can see this button. The over effect is there, and you can actually set it on our form also. So the over color should be let's say whenever on it, it should be black. Is that okay? Let's change the text to white here. So that means when you over it, this is the color that you see, right? It's not really cool. Let's change it to white. Let's change text to. You can actually copy the color code of this and make it as text color. The color code and paste it here, so it can be our over color. We have something like this. Hope everyone understand what I'm trying to do. So now let's move to changing. As I said when I was explaining the theory class, I explained that the size of the button is must align with your design. boxes at the middle. And also your CTA, that means the text must also align with the purpose of the form. So now if I leave it as download now, it's actually awkward and different from the purpose. The purpose is to sign up. So you can just easily put sign up. Just to sign up. Now remember to I sign up now. It's better. So we've created our form and always remember to save. Always remember to save. It's very, 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 very important. Always remember to save your work. Alright, our network is very bad. I wanted to use this logo, but no problem. Since we know the logo is to be at this side, not at this side, please, but at this side. So I'm not sure if this thing is even saving. So I've saved it now and let's finish. Let's make it close. So unlock after that. So after designing this, we if you see desktop view, you can look at state where. So we move to the mobile view. So this is what we have. Mobile view. Thank you. Still waiting. So don't come to your mobile view when you're not with your desktop view. Make sure you finish your desktop view before coming to the mobile view. Hope everybody understand what I'm trying to say. So if you actually do it like that, like after coming to your mobile view, you come back to your desktop view to make some changes again, it will affect your mobile view and you have to start again. I hope you understand. So since we know the picture is there, I think the network is very bad. The image is still there, so let's just amend what we have to amend. So this text is too big. Let's reduce the size. So having something like this is okay. So also this one should not be as big as the parent. It should not be as big as the company's name. Let's do it something like 18, 17 is okay. So make sure there's space. Then the name comes before the email. Like that. So let's shift this down to this. So make sure you don't delete anything from this mobile view. Don't delete anything. If you delete anything to affect the text also. So you can reduce the size of the portfolio. So this is our front page on mobile view. So since we know that image is actually, I think it's the network, so we save this also. So that means we are through with our form page. I hope everyone understands, and I hope you also go ahead and navigate through it again. So to move to our thank you page, you can see this is locked, so you have to unlock it. So you can also check our mobile view. So look at it. This is it. So we've saved it also. So move to our thank you page. So our thank you page is just a simple page for thanking people that subscribed. So as soon as they click on this button, so we led to our thank you page. So this is our thank you page. So we just have to delete some things and we amend it. So unlock this to start editing. So you don't have much options over here, so just pick a random color. Not actually a random color. Make sure it rhymes with the first page. You understand? So to make your color rhyme, extension. I think if you have this, there's an extension. Go to Google. Um, well, I'll probably explain that on the group. So just to if there's an extension to copy the color from this place, the color code and paste on it. But I think this is close to the image. So let's just use our white text here and our yes. So so make sure it's pertaining to your what you present. So thanks, thanks, thanks. You know, that's something like this. You can also add it check your email for more details, something like that. Check your email. You can add a text. So you can enter. So something like that. Check your email to daily update. So color also should be white. It should be smaller and same font. Let's just also decide it. You can also add images here. I'm just making it fast. You can add images to design, images design, stuff. So this is your thank you page and go to your mobile view. As a thank you page for mobile view. Make sure you save it first. Let's get started. So save it. Save it. Right. So let's look. So save this. So what next? Go to your mobile view. Just what? Set the update on the thank you page. So these are mobile view for thank you. 95 something like that. I got so you can save this. Save this. It's actually to form it. So the next thing is to go to settings. So you can see is choose thank you page. If should be here. So say stay on page but change it to default. So this will allow you that when you click on submit or you sign up on the form page, it links to the thank you page. That's the use of that. If you didn't do it, it's not going to link to your thank you page. So after that, you publish the form. So after publishing it, the publish is published like this. So you can actually get the script, JavaScript code from here, and embed it into your website, send to somebody's email, maybe a designer, or Getresponse will host my phone. So you can actually use this to Getresponse will host my phone. So you can check your form live. So this is the link. So let's check our form and use it to us. Let's check how it's going. So this is our form. So let's just test it. Let's just test it in your own. So you can see the overall test now. So this one is not. I'm not going to do this because it's not required. So this is always required to sign up. So let's see. So you can see this is authenticity, and this is the text code. So our form is working right now. Yes, and yeah, so our phone is working right now, and that is all about computer. That's all about computer. I would like to just go on and make more